Hello everyone, welcome back to online classes. Standard 8, Subject Science, Chapter 14, and the topic is Measurements and Effects of Heat. Let us solve the questions and answers related to this topic. Let's begin. Question number 1. A. Whom should I pair with Group A, Group B? It is similar to match the following. Temperature of a healthy human body, boiling point of water, room temperature and freezing point of water. Now what are the options in group B? 29.6 K, 98.6 Fahrenheit, 0 degree C, D 212 degree Fahrenheit. And the answer for this is temperature of a healthy human body 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, boiling point of water 212 degree Fahrenheit, room temperature 296 K, freezing point of water 0 degree C. Question number 1 B. True or false? Temperature of a substance is measured in joule. False. Second, heat flows from an object at a higher temperature to an object at lower temperature. True. The joule is the unit of heat. True. Fourth one, objects contract on heating. False. Fifth one, atoms of a solid are free. False. 6. The average kinetic energy of atom in a hot object is less than the average kinetic energy of atoms in a cold object. False. Question number 1 C. You will find it if you search, means fill in the blanks. 1. A thermometer is used to measure temperature. Second, the apparatus used to measure heat is called calorimeter. Third, temperature is the measure of the average kinetic energy of the atoms in a substance. Fourth one, the heat contaminated in a substance is the measure of the total kinetic energy of the atom in the substance. Question number 2. Nishigandha kept a vessel containing all the ingredients for making tea in a solar cooker. Shivani kept a similar vessel on a stove. Whose tea will be ready first and why? Now see, Nishigandha and Shivani, two girls, are making tea. Now the answer for this is Shivani's tea will be ready first, and the reason is in a given time the amount of heat required by the vessel on a stove is far greater than that received by the vessel kept in a solar cooker. Means stove will give you great energy and solar cooker will also give you energy, but in a slow form. Question number 3. Answer the following questions. First one. How is heat generated in the sun? Answer. In the interior of the sun, at the center, hydrogen nuclei fuse together to form helium nuclei. A lot of heat is generated in this process. Second. What is geothermal energy? Answer. Heat within the interior of the earth. Example, that coming from the molten core of the earth is called geothermal energy. Third, what is atomic energy or nuclear energy? Answer. Energy released or obtained in a nuclear fission or nuclear fusion is called atomic energy or nuclear energy. Next, name 3 sources of chemical energy. Answer. Fuels like wood, coal and petrol are sources of chemical energy. And the last one, fifth one, what are the units of heat? Heat is usually expressed in calorie, kilocalorie and joule. It can also be expressed in erg, as heat is a form of energy. Sixth point, what are the units of temperature? Answer. Temperature is expressed in degree C, that is degree Celsius, or degree F, that is degree Fahrenheit, and K, that is Kelvin. All these are units of temperature. Now seventh point, what is a liquid, that is mercury or alcohol thermometer? Answer. A thermometer in which the change in the volume of a liquid mercury or alcohol with temperature is used for measurement of temperature is called a liquid thermometer. Eighth point, why has been mercury been replaced by alcohol in a thermometer? Because mercury is harmful for us and it has been replaced by alcohol in a thermometer. Next, draw the types of thermometer. Now see, first A1 is a simple thermometer, B1 is a clinical thermometer. Now you have to observe this figure very nicely and draw in the similar manner in your notebook. Now next is one, that is digital thermometer, and D1 maximum minimum thermometer, and the last figure is of calorimeter. In this manner we are going to complete this lesson. The question and answers with the diagrams are also done. I hope you are liking my videos. Thanks a lot for watching these videos. Please share this video with your friends who are in standard 8th, and please comment if you are having any difficulty, and if you want to ask me anything, or if you want to make a video on your related topic. My channel name is Kids Study Fun and Food. Thanks a lot, and keep viewing my channel every now and then. Bye everyone.